Hello team, welcome. Welcome to DevOps training. In this particular lecture, we will learn about this course. So today we will discuss what we are going to cover, what is all about this particular course, what is the requirement to enroll this particular course, and what technologies you are going to learn in this particular course. So we will start with DevOps. What is DevOps? We will learn about what is DevOps, right? What are the requirement of the DevOps in the current market? What is the profile of the DevOps and why DevOps required in the IT area? After this, we will learn about the role of DevOps in IT organizations. DevOps is not a language like Java, C Sharp, or it's not a programming language. DevOps is a complete profile which contain a suite of tools. We will learn about the few tools in this particular course. So we will start with version control systems and we will learn the most popular tools Git. Once we will finish the version control system, we will learn about the continuous integration with the help of Jenkins. We will learn complete setup and uses of Jenkins. After Jenkins, we will get a complete tutorial on Docker technology and we will discuss the complete Docker containers and Docker management. We will also cover the complete networking concepts in the Docker. Once we will finish the single containerized application Docker, we will work with the cluster, right, which is called Docker Swarm. We will also learn about the application build tools. There is additional information right now I didn't include it, the monitoring tools like Ansible and Kubernetes in this particular course. But these particular tools are still in the plan. So I hope I will include the Kubernetes and Ansible tools in this particular course by end of the year. So let's go to the course profile page to discuss what we are going to learn in this particular course. So this is the landing page of this particular course. The course name is Master in DevOps, Docker, Jenkins, Git, CI pipeline, and Maven. We have also seen what we are going to learn in this particular course. So we are going to learn about the Git, the complete Git tutorials. We are going to learn the complete Docker. We are going to learn the complete Docker cluster, Docker Swarm, and we are going to learn the complete CI flow, which is with the help of Jenkins and about the build tools. In this particular course, till date, I have included close to 20 sections, right? So you can see, first we will understand the DevOps and DevOps processes. Then we have few sections on Git, right? So on Git, we have close to 8 sections, right? Once we will finish the Git, we will work with the Maven. Over here you can see we have the Maven tutorials, and after Mavens we have the sections for the Jenkins. So we will learn about the Jenkins. Once we will finish the Jenkins, we will get the complete end-to-end knowledge of the Docker, right? You can see the Kubernetes and Ansible is not the part of this particular course, but definitely they are in the plan and by year end they will be in the course. Let's discuss about the requirement of this particular course. So no prerequisite to enroll this particular course. We are not expecting you have any kind of DevOps knowledge, you have any kind of technical knowledge, right? No programming knowledge is required to enroll this particular course. The only thing which is required to enroll this particular course is a computer and internet connection. So you must have your own computer and internet connection to enroll this particular course so that you can learn and practice your stuff. Here we have defined the course objectives, so you can go through the complete course objectives, and we will make sure what we are defining on our profile page will cover everything in this particular course. This course currently have 26 hours video, which is the longest DevOps course on Udemy platform, right? We also have the 55 downloadable resources, and these resources is basically the files, the assignments which we have executed and done in this particular course so that you guys can also have these assignments and these files for your own reference. Who can enroll this particular course? So, a software developer, technical project managers, architects, operation support teams, deployment engineers, IT managers, and development managers can enroll this particular course so that they can also learn about the DevOps skill, right? Right now, the course is on sale. The sale is being provided by the Udemy. So, if you need some kind of coupons, you can contact me and we will work on it, right? So, that's all about the introduction part of this particular course. From the coming lectures, we will learn the technologies and the features of DevOps. Thank you.